Today is the 11th of June 2021. This is Vattuniemenkatu, Helsinki 14 staircase, and this is the last staircase in this residential building. It has 4 staircases. So we have been in all of these. You can watch all the videos from this residential building. It's on another original ValmetSchlieren elevator that was built in 1977. It's only 45 years old in next year, 2022, when it's going to be inspected again. And the serial number is 4970. And just like the staircase, it also has just 6 floors, but the basement floor is locked up. Staircases A and B have 7 floors, and all the floors are open there. The capacity is 4 birds or 325 grams. It's pretty strange that they made this over.
Yeah. Jos tippaakin väistyttää, että me ei teemme pois silloin.
I don't know why the basement floor is locked off, because maybe it's accessible through the garden, like under the garden.
Yeah.
But this is locked off here, and I don't think there are stairs to it from the staircase.
Yeah.
They don't have stairs there.
Yeah.
Or the stairs are locked off. Like another staircase.
Yeah.
It's really weird. Yes.
That's